The nervous system is a set of cells specialized in the conduction of electrical signals. It is made up of neurons and glial cells. Neurons receive, process, and transmit information that can travel from one place to another in the body.
What is the epilepsy? The epilepsy is a group of diseases that affect the central nervous system, whose usually clinical manifestation is epilepticus.
The treatment of epilepsy is usually treated with medication and in some cases surgery, devices, or change in diet. The medicines that you can use if you have epilepsy are treatment of nerve pain, sedative, and antiepileptic.
The possible causes are alcohol or drugs, trauma to the head or brain injury, infection, congenital conditions, genetic factors, economic reason.
The symptoms that have the epilepsy are requires medical diagnostics during a seizure. A person experiences abnormal behaviors, symptoms, and sensations, including loss of consciousness. There are few symptoms between seizures. People can suffer whole body, fainting or fatigue, muscular, rhythmic muscle, contractions or muscle spasms, sensitive, aura or tingling. Also common, seizures, amnesia, anxiety, depression, headache, temporary paralysis after a seizure, or drowsiness.
What is focal epilepsy? Is a neurological condition in which the predominant symptoms is recurring seizures that affect one hemisphere half of the brain.
The epilepsy that appear to occur in all areas to the brain are called generalized epilepsy. Generalized epilepsy include the following. Advanced epilepsies. Advanced epilepsies, previously known as small epilepsies, usually occur in children.
In addition to all the information we have you on the topic, we have a surprise for you. Today, we have two specialized wish use. First, we have Camila Ramirez, a student from CS University, who will talk to use the central nervous system. And we also have Ana Lilian Berrio, a graduate from Bolivariana University, who is neurologist and epilepsy specialized.
Hi UCO students, my name is Camila Ramirez, a medical student at CS University, and I will be speaking to you about some generalities of the nervous system. First of all, the nervous system can be divided into central and peripheral. Central is where the brain and the spinal cord are, while peripheral can be further divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic. All these different parts need to work together to cause specific effects in the different organs, which is why it's a very important system in our body. The afferent and efferent neurons help with this because they send signals to the body and back to the brain. Additionally, there are neurotransmitters, which are substances released by neurons that will have different effects in the body. For example, there is norepinephrine, serotonin, and dopamine, which are greatly involved in our emotions, and GABA and glutamate, which are greatly involved in epilepsy.
Hi students of class 7A. I am Ana Berrio, medical doctor from Universidad Pontificia Bolivariana. I am specialized in clinical research. Currently, I am working on central nervous system. Today, I am going to help you to understand the basics about epilepsy. Let's start by answering a straightforward question. What is epilepsy? To answer that, we first have to know what a seizure is. Our brain cells are constantly sending signals to each other. Typically, the signals are well balanced and allow us to think, feel, and function. When our signals in our brain are disrupted, they are acting abnormally, a person may have a seizure. Many scientists compare the seizures to an electrical storm in the brain that disrupt the electrical balance. Seizure and epilepsy are not the same thing. Epilepsy, sometimes called a seizure disorder, is a diverse group of neurological symptoms that include recurrent seizures. There are many types of epilepsy. In some people, the cause can be identified. In others, the cause is unknown. Seizure symptoms may include temporary confusion, a stirring spell, stiff muscles, uncontrollable jerking movement of the arms and legs, loss of consciousness or awareness, psychological symptoms such as fear, anxiety, or deja vu. Sometimes people with epilepsy may have changes in their behavior. They also may have symptoms of psychosis. Most people with epilepsy tend to have the same type of seizure each time. Symptoms are usually similar from episode to episode. Treatment with medicines or sometimes surgery can control seizures for most people with epilepsy. Some people require lifelong treatment. For others, seizures eventually go away. Some children with epilepsy may outgrow the condition with age. Thank you for your time.
This podcast was recorded, edited, and supervised by Isabella and Maria Clara Silva for the Natural Science area. Taught by Jessica. Enjoy it.